So hello everyone. So again we are going to discuss the another part of this BFM. Right. This is the part 2 of this how to wear afros for the next 1 week. Right. So let's start this directly. And here we are going to discuss the module C. And in module C this is Treasury Management. What is this? This is Treasury Management, and there you can expect 20 to 22 questions from this. And there sometimes they ask more questions from module C, right? And more questions from module C should try to cover this as soon as possible, right? And it will take very something like 1 to 2 or 3 hours to cover this module C. So try to cover this after completing module A, or you can take your own. So here we'll discuss that what are the things we need to cover or what are the important chapters. So let me first do this. So this is just for as I already mentioned, this whatever I'm showing you, these are the for reference, right? That's what I made during my preparations. And the other some we have added something, so that will help you. At least you will have some idea that how to approach, right? So main thing, one more important thing, during the preparation this BFM, have the Macmillan book with you, right? Whatever your reference you are following, that's okay, but have the Macmillan book with you so that it will help you. And next, introduction to Treasury Management. Here in this introduction to Treasury Management, it will be cover 3 to 4 mark questions, right? So this is some basics one, that what is the liquidity and risk management, right? What do you mean by the liquidity? This is sufficient cash and should be available. Liquidity means the cash should be available, right? And there will be some risk in treasury management. There will be some risk and how to manage all those risks. So this is some basic things you can easily cover. So in the treasury there will be some different ones, like first one will be something like dealing room. And what is a work for the dealing room? There will be the intermediary. Dealing room will be the intermediary. They will deal with the customer and they will deal the customer directly, right? So this is the dealing room. Next one will be the back office. They will do the settlement. There will be some first the front office. They will be the intermediary, right? So this is between the forex जो होता है जो directly customer and जो system उनके बेस में जो deal करेगा directly, that will be the front office, not the dealing room will be act as a intermediary, right? And if, the customer dealing will be done by the front office. This is customer dealing is done. So these are the things you can cover from module C, chapter 14. So next, the important things are like here in module this next one is treasury products. What are the treasury products? We can easily get it, right? There is some money market products. What are those? First one is CP. CP means commercial paper, right? And CD, certificates of deposits, right? And what is the commercial paper value? One commercial paper is 5 lakhs and one CD is 1 lakh, right? This is the basics idea you can get through that. And T-bills, that is treasury bills, CBLO. These are the treasury products. CBLO means collateral borrowing interbank lending office, right? So collateral borrowing lending office, so this is done by interbank, so we can say this call money, CBLO, right? So next there are some more products are there, like ADR, American deposit receipts, GDR, like global deposit receipt. And next one is FII, foreign industries investment, and debentures and bonds long term, right? For long term what we are doing, this is debenture and bonds. And in the next it covers funding and regulatory aspects. So this will cover something 2 to 3 marks, right? So you can expect more also, it depends. We have sometimes asking from one module more questions. So this is the mostly theory. So as you have here mentioned, this is completely somehow theory related, so you can practice accordingly, right? So here is the next. This is, so here is funding and regulatory aspects, right? What are the funding and regulatory aspects? That is, first one is CRR, that is cash reserve ratio, that is done with the RBI, and SLR, statutory liquidity ratio, that is government security and gold, that is done within the banks, right? And LAF, then the repo rate, right? Reverse repo rate, RTGS, more than 2 lakhs we are doing, as we know, this is the also important one. For RTGS we are using 2 lakhs more, and for NEFT less than 2 lakhs, right? And what is the thing, like if 2 lakhs the amount, then we can do this RTGS also, right? So in the next important thing is that treasury risk management. Here it will cover something like 3 to 4 marks. And what are the important things here will cover? Treasury risk management, the risk related to the treasury. And here is VAR, value at risk. Value at risk, how to calculate the VAR, the risk at worst risk. This is the at the worst condition, this risk will happen, value at risk. And duration, there will be some definitions related to that. So this is the durations of the risks. So most importantly in this chapter is also these derivative products. These are the, we have discussed the treasury products. These derivative products, they will ask directly questions, right? That is, if something like 1 month or 2 month, what is this option, forward, future? So first one is option forward, next one is option future, and next one is swap. So related to foreign instruments, and here swap is two types, interest rate and currency, right? This is, we are just giving you basic idea, so that in the next first track here the time, then we will try to upload the first track one, so that we'll cover some more. So in the next, this is the treasury and asset liability management, right? So this is completely theory, 3 to 4 marks of theory, that is ALM, asset liability management. There will be on case study, we will have this, and something like for this baskets area, here the baskets area, right? And try to remember this. This is 1 to 7, 8 to 14, 15 to 29, and 1 to 3. So this is some prompts for months its sensitiveness. According to that, they have made this asset liability management. So these are the some important topics in the module C, right? So try to cover this module C first, and try to cover more accuracy in this module C, because sometimes they ask theoretical questions more from this only. So first those like treasury products and derivative products, this is very important, try to cover this more, right? So in the next video we are going to discuss the next upcoming one. So till that point, keep studying. Thanks for watching the videos. Thank you.